Yo, what's up, guys? That was a weird intro. Okay, so if you guys haven't noticed, holiday season is just around the corner. I am absolutely terrible at buying gifts. Sometimes I just forget to buy gifts. Sometimes I think, oh wow, it's December 24th at 6:30 p.m. There's always next year. Thankfully this year I found a gift that I'm just gonna give to pretty much everyone. Ridge wallets from the Ridge. Lifetime warranty. This one's carbon fiber. This one's titanium. They're sleek, they're small, they're amazing. You know what, screw it. These are way too nice to give to your family. Don't buy them for your family, buy them for yourself. Carbon fiber, titanium, I don't care what you get. I love them, they're tiny, they're fun. Are wallets fun? You know what, yeah, these wallets are fun. Just a warning, you guys are actually going to lose your minds for this one. If there's one thing you guys roast me for, it is my cell phone. This is my phone. It's a beat up 2-year-old Samsung S8, I believe. The screen is cracked very badly up there. The back is cracked. The front camera doesn't really work too well anymore. If I get made fun of one thing on my Instagram, it is my bad IG story quality because the camera sucks. I don't know, for me spending a ton of money on a phone doesn't make a ton of sense. It doesn't make my life better to have a cool phone. In Canada you get a free phone with lots of cell phone plans, so I mean I got this for free instead of spending $800, $900, $1,000 on a phone. But I mean on the other side, the camera quality after you drop it 500 times just isn't the best. Last night I went to the mall and picked up this bad boy, the brand new iPhone Pro in, I think this is called Midnight Green. I still don't know how I feel about this. It was like 1,500 Canadian dollars for this phone, maybe even 1,550. Ridiculously expensive, absurdly expensive. I've never spent anywhere near, this is double the most expensive phone. Oh, and I almost dropped it. This is double the most expensive phone that I've ever bought. This is only the second Apple product I've ever owned in my life. I had an iPod Touch 2nd generation in 9th grade. So this is a bit of a switch for me. How do I get this? Oh, they have a nice little pull tab. Wow. I am terrified to break this. I guarantee you I am going to buy like some radioactive proof, nuclear bomb proof. Oh my goodness, I think I just said nuclear. I apologize. There's 3 cameras. This is literally the only reason I bought it. It has the best cameras available. I mean, I don't care. It's an iPhone. Yeah, yay, cool. I fit in with the cool kids now. iMessage. Why do people care about iMessage so much? 3 cameras. I take lots of pictures and videos, and this is good for taking pictures and videos. Now, all you guys that made fun of this crappy phone, hello. You can no longer make fun of this not crappy phone. Okay, this is actually going to drive me crazy. If you guys know me, you know I'm like really OCD about having everything neat and tidy and in the spot it's supposed to be in. The studio is a mess right now. I mean, look at this. Boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes. Ooh, check this. This guy's getting a pair of Wave Runners in his box. And this guy is getting a pair of Citroen 350s in his box, or her box. I don't know who ordered any of these. Once again though, I would like to give my biggest thank yous and also my sincerest apologies to all of you guys that ordered the mystery boxes a couple of weeks ago. As I said, I've been in the country for 2.5 days total since these things got filled out and ordered and sold out, and I thank you for the support. We just were not expecting the amount of support and popularity on this product as we thought we were going to get. I've been trying to keep you guys as updated on Twitter as possible, but thought I would do a quick little update here for you guys that ordered boxes and are waiting for boxes. A good amount of them have been shipped out. If you have a notification that your order has been shipped out, it's on its way. It should be getting to you very soon. We had a big delay with our supplier, which set us back like a week and a half. These were all supposed to be gone already, but then our supplier delayed us a week and a half. I feel so bad, but that was out of our control. For all the future boxes, I have contracted someone to handle all the order fulfillment. So for the December box, as soon as you ordered the December box, whenever they go live, I think December 12th or 13th or something like that, the day you order the December box, the order is gonna be shipped and packed, or the day after, depending on how many orders we get that day. So if you guys did miss out on the November boxes and you wanna get in on the December mystery box, there is a link in the description to shop that. Go for it, feel feel free to purchase a December mystery box. The shoes that we have included in the December mystery box, we have Travis Scott Air Force Ones, we have Yeezy 380 Aliens, some Jordan 6 Infrareds, a whole bunch of other Jordan retro. I'm gonna make sure there's at least like probably 12, minimum 12, max 16, 18 pairs of shoes included in the December mystery box. It's going to be sick. When I was in Japan, like almost 2 weeks ago, I got a phone call and it was from DHL and they said, yo, we are at your door of your condo. We have a package for you. Open up. And I was like, dog, I'm in Tokyo. I can't open up. We're leaving the package at the DHL fulfillment center. I was back home for 1 day last week. Didn't have time to go get it. So I'm driving to go get it today. To be 100% honest, I have absolutely no idea what it is and I'm a little bit excited. Okay, turns out there's 2 of them. These look shoe sized. I've absolutely no clue what these are, but they look shoe sized. And this is, yeah, this definitely looks like shoes. Nice. This out of the box. And this shoe came out when I was 12 years old. In 2008 or maybe even 2007. Why are they so dusty? Okay, I don't like how dusty these are. A little bit disappointed about the dustiness, but these are the Playoff Retro 8s. I got these for a stupid. What I'm trying to say is I got them for a stupid good price. I couldn't pass it up. These are not to wear. This is just a cool display piece. I mean, like the Durabuck is cracking. The paint on the bottom would like fall apart instantly if I tried to wear these just because they are 13 years old and I don't know what condition they've been stored in. 70, 78, 77, 76. I paid around like $76. Okay, next one. I can't remember what these are. It's from the same place, but I don't remember what else I got. This is confusing. Did they send me 2 pairs by accident? Look at this, it's the same old school Jordan box, the exact same box as the other one we just took a look at. I didn't buy 2 pairs of these, I can tell you that for sure. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed, I think they might have sent me 2 pairs. What in the world? I'm speechless. This one's StockX tagged. Just in case you guys don't believe me, look at this, okay? I'm holding this pair. Here's the other pair. I did not buy 2 pairs of these. Yep, they sent me 2 pairs. I paid for 1. They sent me 2. Seriously, what do I do now though? Like, am I a bad person if I accept both of these? Do I contact them? Do I send one of them back? Well, that was a nice, pleasant little surprise. I was originally gonna tie this into the time that Nike sent me the gold Foamposites in a regular Nike orange box, and how, you know, big companies tend to mess up with their order fulfillment and their production and their quality control. That was gonna be my original segue. Nike did send me like 3, 4, I guess almost 5 years ago, they sent me gold Foamposites in an orange Nike box. That was a pretty good segue, I'll give it to you, but this is a better segue. They sent me 2 pairs of shoes when I ordered 1. What I'm trying to say though is that Nike messed up on a pair of shoes. You guys are ridiculously observant. I don't know how you guys noticed this, but you guys noticed this. I didn't notice this. Let's get to the studio and talk about this. For the life of me, I have no idea how any of you guys noticed this. Yeah, that's so strange. It's not supposed to be like that, is it? Okay, let me explain. Maybe I am an idiot and this whole quandary is for naught. This shoe has teal stitching along the midsole, which is what I expected, what I've seen on all the Travis Scotts, and what I talked about in the video. I even made note of how I like the teal stitching in the video. And then in the thumbnail of my pickup video of these, and tons of people in the comments noticed this shoe has no stitching. It doesn't even have the stitching holes. It's just like, look at that. It's literally just rubber. There's no stitching. There's no stitching holes. It's just rubber. So I'm 99.99999% sure it's not supposed to be like that. If it is supposed to be like that, I apologize. I am an idiot. But I'm 99% sure that Nike messed up production on these. I'm not mad. I mean, it doesn't matter really to me at least, if there's stitching in a shoe or not stitching in a shoe. But it's just bizarre to see. I mean, they make tens of thousands of pairs of these, so some of them are going to get messed up, but usually this stuff gets caught in production. These things end up at the outlet. These would definitely be marked as a B grade. So I'm going to call Nike. I'll keep you guys updated maybe in future videos, or most likely on Instagram. Go shoot me a follow on Instagram at Tom Stefaniuk. I'll keep you updated there. I'll give Nike a call, be like, yo, can I get like a coupon or something at least? Because my shoes don't have stitching on the midsole. I don't know if that affects the actual construction of them. I highly doubt it. I think the stitching is just for aesthetic purposes. As I said, I'm not mad, it's no big deal. I mean, I'm not disappointed by them. I would like it to be like, you know, the way it's supposed to be, but I could think of worse things to be wrong on the shoe, like stitching up here or material or glue stains or something like that. You guys let me know, is it cooler without the stitching? Less cool without the stitching? I think it's a little bit unique, and honestly, I'm never gonna notice it once it's on my feet. It's not gonna bother me in the slightest. I wish there was an easier way to take this dumb lace shield off, because you literally have to unlace the entire shoe as far as I can tell to take it off, which is a pain in the ass. I don't want to unlace the entire shoe. I just like want to rip it off, but I can't, so it's gonna be like a 15-minute ordeal to unlace them, relace them. Not looking forward to it. Should I email Nike? Should I get a return? Well, I don't want to return them unless they have proper pairs sitting in the warehouse somehow. Then I'd return them for a real pair. Or should I be like, yo, Nike, my shoe's messed up. You can't send me a new pair, I'm assuming, so give me a coupon where I can get 50% off my next purchase. That would be ideal. I would happily take no stitching to get like 50% off my next purchase, because then I'd order like $20,000 worth of shoes for 50% off. That would be sweet.
C'est la première fois depuis longtemps.